What is AngularJS? Scope is an object injected in the application, but it is not only the object. It is more than the object without represent data and methods. Scope is the main thing or key to bind application data and connect model to the view. Scope handles the binding part between HTML view and JavaScript. Here you can look the code. Here you can see link that the ajax.google API is. Then you can see the first name equal the John, then see result. There is a considerable difference between the static documents and dynamic applications. Dynamic applications typically use a library and a framework that supports creating web apps. While the library contains a number of functions used to perform certain operators, framework automatically takes the data and calls the functions when needed. However, AngularJS creates new HTML constructs that eventually eliminates this mismatch effectively. It creates new syntax with the help of directives. Here is the demo. This example you can show try to change the names and see first name and last name. That is the example. Modules. A module can be defined as a container that consists of various application parts. The module is a set of functions defined in a JavaScript file. Module divides an application into small and reusable components. Directives. Directives indicate the compiler to associate a behavior to the DOM element or modify it. AngularJS contains several derivatives such as ngApp, ngController, ngView, ngIf, etc. Expressions. AngularJS expressions are expressed with second bracket with indicate a data binding in HTML. These expressions can be added into the HTML templates. Data binding is data synchronization between view and data model. We have seen the previous article. AngularJS application have data model, which is collection of data for the application of view, and view is our HTML which display data.